Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a local script in starter player scripts so code runs per client. Once done, get the local player and wait for player. Character to load, then cache character, find first child, humanoid, and humanoid. Root part. You set baseline variables like walk speed and jump power immediately because changing them early avoids jitter. Also initialize an input state table so you can track //strafe. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to yield until character exists before modifying movement. You now override default controls by binding actions with context action service or reading keys via user input service. Once bound, translate inputs into a 2D input vector. Next, rotate it by the current camera. See frame. Look vector to get world space movement. Then, on render stepped or heartbeat, compute desired velocity and smoothly apply it, either by setting humanoid. Walk speed and move direction or by using root part. Velocity for precise control. This middle step explains why we combine camera orientation with it. You finish by polishing. Implement lerp-based acceleration and deceleration, clamp maximum speeds, and apply jump power when jump input occurs. Once done, unbind custom actions and restore defaults when the player dies or the character respawns, so behavior stays consistent. For networking, consider remote events for server validation if using velocity on root part. If things go wrong, like no movement, first check that the local script runs in starter player scripts, confirm character exists, and ensure input bindings are active rather than blocked by GUI capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.